Phrazer Kitsune, the only purpose-designed and built medical journey solution. Nothing can achieve comparable breakthrough results, but let's consider real performance, real cost, and the real reality of attempting repurposed consumer hardware. Base hardware cost of consumer devices is actually higher. Consumer systems are not rugged, not infectious disease compliant, and require constant support. They need more updates and maintenance. They are hard to modify and are bandwidth hungry. No full literacy and language services of medical value are included, and consumer systems don't generate revenue like Phrazer Kitsune. The patented MRM coordinates patient and staff for better personal engagement. It is fully secure, safe, and EMR ready out of the box. The only system fully configurable to your practice without cost. Most importantly, the breakthrough of easy, qualified, and effective demography coverage is only possible with Phrazer Kitsune. Phrazer Kitsune, harmonizing patient, staff, and system performance.